Imagine a device capable of storing enormous amounts of energy inside a relatively compact space and then powering a multi-ton electric vehicle for hundreds of kilometers without a single drop of gasoline. Electric vehicle batteries are now among the most important technologies in modern transportation, and their production involves some of the most advanced industrial manufacturing processes in the world. Inside every EV battery pack are thousands of precisely manufactured battery cells that must operate safely, efficiently, and perfectly synchronized for many years. But how are batteries for electric cars actually manufactured? The foundation of most modern electric vehicles is the lithium-ion battery. Each battery cell works through the movement of lithium ions between two electrodes called the anode and cathode during charging and discharging. When the battery charges, lithium ions move in one direction and store energy. During discharge, the ions move back while releasing electrical energy to power the electric motor. Although the principle sounds relatively simple, manufacturing these cells requires extremely advanced chemistry and highly controlled production environments. The process begins with electrode material preparation. The cathode usually contains lithium, combined with materials such as nickel, manganese, cobalt, or iron phosphate, depending on the battery chemistry. The anode is typically made from graphite. These materials are processed into extremely fine chemical slurries that are coated onto very thin metal foils using highly precise automated manufacturing systems. If you like similar educational content, please like, subscribe, and share the video with your friends. After coating, the electrode layers must be dried, compressed, and processed with extremely tight tolerances. Even microscopic variations in thickness can affect battery capacity, charging behavior, efficiency, and long-term lifespan. The production environment must remain exceptionally clean and dry, because even tiny dust particles or moisture contamination could damage the battery cell or increase the risk of internal short circuits. What makes EV battery production so fascinating is the combination of chemistry, material science, robotics, precision manufacturing, and safety engineering. Modern battery cells contain enormous amounts of stored energy, meaning every single component must be manufactured with extraordinary precision. Even very small defects could eventually lead to overheating, performance loss, or in extreme cases, dangerous battery failures. Once the electrode materials are prepared, the actual battery cell assembly process begins. The cathode, anode, and separator must be combined into an extremely compact internal structure. The separator is a very thin porous layer placed between the two electrodes. Its job is critical. It prevents direct electrical contact that would cause a short circuit while still allowing lithium ions to move through the battery during charging and discharging. There are several major battery cell designs used in electric vehicles today. Some manufacturers use cylindrical cells that resemble oversized AA batteries. Others use prismatic cells with rigid rectangular casings or pouch cells enclosed inside flexible packaging. Each design has different advantages related to energy density, cooling efficiency, manufacturing cost, structural strength, and thermal management. During production, electrode layers are either rolled or stacked into highly precise internal configurations. The assembly process is heavily automated, using robotic systems capable of microscopic positioning accuracy. Once assembled, the cells are sealed inside protective casings and filled with electrolyte, a highly specialized chemical liquid that enables lithium ions to move between the electrodes. The electrolyte is one of the most sensitive components inside the battery. It is chemically reactive and highly flammable, which means the manufacturing environment must maintain extremely low humidity levels. Even small amounts of water contamination could react with internal battery chemicals and permanently damage the cell before it is even completed. After sealing, the cells undergo an extremely important stage called formation. During this process, the batteries are charged and discharged for the first time under carefully controlled conditions. Critical chemical structures form inside the battery during formation, stabilizing the cell for long-term operation. This stage may take several days and has a major influence on battery performance, safety, efficiency, and lifespan. Once the individual battery cells are completed and tested, the manufacturing of the full EV battery pack begins. Modern electric vehicles do not rely on one massive battery cell. Instead, they use thousands of smaller cells connected together into a highly complex energy storage system capable of delivering both high power and large energy capacity. These cells must operate in perfect synchronization because even small differences between them can affect the performance and lifespan of the entire battery pack. The cells are first grouped into modules. A single module may contain dozens or even hundreds of cells connected both in series and in parallel. Series connections increase voltage, while parallel connections increase current capacity and overall energy storage. Multiple modules are then combined into the full battery pack, typically mounted inside the floor structure of the electric vehicle. One of the most critical systems inside the battery pack is the battery management system, commonly known as the BMS. This advanced electronic control system continuously monitors voltage, current, temperature, charging conditions, and the state of individual modules or cells. The BMS ensures that the battery does not overcharge, over-discharge, or overheat. If abnormal behavior is detected, the system can reduce power output or disconnect parts of the battery entirely to prevent damage. Thermal management is another enormous engineering challenge. During rapid charging or heavy acceleration, EV batteries can generate significant amounts of heat. If temperatures become too high, battery degradation accelerates, and in extreme situations, thermal runaway may occur, a dangerous, uncontrolled overheating process capable of spreading between cells. Because of this, modern EV battery packs use highly advanced liquid cooling systems designed to remove heat efficiently from the entire battery structure. The battery pack must also function as a structural and safety component inside the vehicle. It must protect the cells during impacts, vibrations, crashes, and long-term operation. Modern battery packs therefore use reinforced metal enclosures, internal protective barriers, fuses, sensors, and safety systems designed to minimize the risk of damage or fire. In reality, EV batteries are extremely sophisticated combinations of chemistry, electronics, cooling systems, and structural engineering. One of the biggest engineering challenges in electric vehicle batteries is balancing high energy density, fast charging capability, long lifespan, and safety. The more energy stored inside the battery, the greater the demands placed on thermal stability, cooling systems, and internal chemical control. Battery manufacturers are therefore constantly searching for new materials and technologies capable of increasing battery capacity without dramatically increasing weight or safety risks. Battery degradation is another major issue. Every charging and discharging cycle gradually changes the internal chemistry of the cells. Over thousands of cycles, battery capacity slowly decreases, reducing the vehicle's driving range. Modern EV battery systems therefore use advanced charging algorithms, thermal control systems, and power management strategies to slow down battery aging and maximize long-term durability. Fast charging creates especially difficult thermal conditions. Modern electric vehicles can accept extremely high charging power over short periods of time, generating substantial heat inside the cells. Without proper thermal management, rapid charging could damage the battery or significantly shorten its lifespan. For this reason, EVs use sophisticated cooling systems, temperature sensors, and charging control software that continuously regulate charging speed based on battery conditions. Battery production also depends heavily on raw materials such as lithium, nickel, cobalt, manganese, copper, and graphite. These materials must be mined, refined, and processed with very high purity standards. The availability and cost of these resources strongly influence EV battery prices and the global expansion of electric vehicles. At the same time, manufacturers are developing battery chemistries that reduce dependence on expensive or difficult-to-source materials. One of the most promising future technologies is the solid-state battery. Unlike conventional lithium-ion batteries that use liquid electrolyte, solid-state batteries use solid electrolyte materials. This could potentially provide much higher energy density, faster charging speeds, improved safety, and lower fire risk. Although the technology is still under development, many automotive companies are investing billions of dollars into solid-state battery research because it could fundamentally transform the future of electric transportation. When viewed from a broader perspective, electric vehicle batteries are far more than just components inside cars. They are becoming one of the most important technologies shaping the future of transportation, renewable energy storage, and modern electrical infrastructure. Advances in battery technology influence not only electric vehicles, but also power grids, industrial automation, mobile electronics, and large-scale energy storage systems used alongside solar and wind power. One of the greatest advantages of lithium-ion batteries is their ability to store large amounts of energy while remaining relatively lightweight. This allows modern electric vehicles to achieve longer driving ranges and increasingly high performance. At the same time, battery technology continues evolving rapidly as manufacturers search for higher energy density, lower production costs, longer lifespan, and faster charging capabilities. Battery recycling will also play a major role in the future of the industry. Modern EV battery packs contain highly valuable materials, such as lithium, nickel, cobalt, and copper. Recovering these materials through recycling will become increasingly important as global EV production expands. Advanced recycling technologies are being developed to recover as much usable material as possible for manufacturing new battery cells, while reducing dependence on mining and lowering environmental impact. A massive global technological race is now underway to develop better battery systems. Automotive companies, governments, and technology firms are investing billions of dollars into research involving advanced battery chemistries, high-speed charging, safer cell designs, and more efficient manufacturing methods. Future batteries may eventually offer significantly longer range, faster charging times, lower cost, and improved durability compared to current lithium-ion technology. At the center of the entire system, however, the core principle remains remarkably simple. Controlled movement of lithium ions between electrodes allows electrical energy to be stored and released when needed. From advanced chemistry and semiconductor-style manufacturing to robotics, cooling systems, and power electronics, EV batteries represent one of the most sophisticated technological systems powering the transition toward the future of transportation and energy.